I'm Scott Margolin, Vice President of Technical here at Tyndale, and welcome to our new series, The Spin Cycle. In today's episode, we're going to turn our attention to another common rental uniform sales spin, and that is fabric softener. Now, fabric softener is a little different than what we've looked at previously, the bleaches and oxidative bleaches. Those products, the fear is, will remove flame resistance from the garment. Fabric softener is the exact opposite. Most fabric softeners are flammable, and so the concern becomes intentional deposition of a flammable contaminant on top of the flame-resistant or arc-rated clothing. So we hit a sample with 50 cycles of fabric softener, and let's take a look. Let's start by taking a look at our control garment, which in this case is a new arc-rated garment. Here comes our arc, and you can see again as the arc dissipates, the garment's done what you expected to do. There's no afterflame, there's no hole, it hasn't shrunk, it's intact, and it's protected the wearer. This garment has been through 50 laundering cycles with fabric softener in each of those laundering cycles, again, per the Hugh Hoagland IEEE research. Here's our arc. You can see that the aftermath looks just like the control. That is, there's no hole, there's no afterflame, the garment has protected the wearer and done its job. Let's look at it again in close-up. You get a better look at the front of the garment here, and again, you can see no afterflame, and it looks just like the control. Now we'll take a look at it again in super slow motion at whether there is in fact any afterflame or any other unusual behavior as a result of the fabric softener contamination. So as our arc fades, you can clearly see there is no afterflame on the garment. When the arc is gone, which it is right there, there's no fire remaining. Now let's take a look apples to apples in a side-by-side comparison of how the control looks against 50 cycles with fabric softener. And once again, you can see as the arcs go away, the garments look essentially identical. In both cases, both new and despite 50 cycles of fabric softener, the garments look and perform equally. So there you have it. Now, the concern about fabric softener, of course, makes complete sense on paper or logically because we don't want to intentionally, knowingly, put a flammable contaminant on our flame-resistant and arc-rated clothing. However, you can clearly see that even up to 50 cycles doing so had no effect whatsoever on either the flame resistance or the protection of that garment in arc flash. Now, once again, I want to make it absolutely clear, Tyndale does not endorse, we do not recommend intentional use of fabric softener on these garments, but it's equally important that everybody in the end user community understands what effect accidental use of those products will have, and in this case the answer is zero. Thank you.